What's up, everybody? Welcome to Unbox the Box again. Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing Corsair K70 Mark II keyboard with Cherry MX red key switches. After doing a lot of research, I found a lot of interesting things about this keyboard that I will show you guys, like the sound of different key switches, RGB color presets and its controls, and which keyboard is similar to K70 but about 20 bucks cheaper. So let's get started. All right. Super excited for this thing. There we go. Let's see, what do we have in the box? And here we go. Right away we can see the keyboard. And wow, it looks super thin. The cables in here. Oh, we got a little stock here. But yeah, this cable seems very neatly done. It's braided cable. Seems that it will be very durable. I hope that the camera can transfer exactly the way that it looks. Alright guys, so let's remove the keyboard from the plastic bag so you can see the exact quality of the keyboard. There you go. So it is made from durable aluminum frame, and it feels very great to the touch. Alright, so besides the keyboard, it seems like we have the manual here. Cool. Some extra switches. There we go. And the padded armrest. There we go. Now let's also remove the plastic bag from the wrist support. As you can see, it's just plain plastic. Does feel nice and soft to the touch. Let's take a look at the overview that Corsair has on their website. This keyboard is made out of an aircraft grade brushed anodized aluminum, which provides the keyboard with a lightweight and a rugged durability. Should last you thousands of hours of gameplay. There's FPS and mobile keycap sets, and they are textured and contoured keycaps that provide maximum grip and enhanced feel. There's 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover, so no matter how fast in-game actions you are experiencing, every key press will be registered correctly. So another cool feature that it has the Windows key lock mode, which prevents you from accidentally pressing the Windows key and exiting out the game in a very important moment. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm in the game mode, sometimes I just press the Windows key by accident, and it's very frustrating to exit out during the most important moment of the game. There's also a USB pass-through port, which is pretty cool because you could connect either your mouse or a headset, and you don't have to, wire it through your computer. There's also dedicated volume and multimedia controls, and they are located on the right-hand side, which is very convenient and pretty easily accessible during the the gameplay. And detachable soft touch wrist that we've all seen in the unboxing, which should provide more comfort for your gameplay. As you can see, guys, this keyboard has Cherry MX red key switches. The behavior should be very linear, feel very light, actuation force of 45 grams. There's an actuation point of 2 millimeters, and there's a travel distance of about 4 millimeters. It sounds very quiet. And the key switches are mostly recommended for gamers who are looking for fast action with minimal resistance. So let's try and hear the sound. So the sound, honestly, it sounds very great. It has a very mechanical sound to it. Almost like a machine gun or something. You know, it's a huge pleasure to be typing on this keyboard, so you can only imagine what it feels like to play games on it. Corsair also offers Cherry MX Speed, which also has a very linear behavior. It should feel light. There's an actuation force of 45 grams, an actuation point of only 1.2 millimeters. There's a travel distance of 4 millimeters, and it's recommended for fast-paced gaming. So there's Cherry MX Brown that should have very tactile behavior. The feeling is medium. Actuation force of also 45 grams, an actuation point of also 2 millimeters, with the travel distance of 4 millimeters. Recommended for a good blend of gaming and typing. Cherry MX Brown is also widely considered to be the best middle ground switch. In the series of Cherry, there's Cherry MX Blue with very clicky behavior and very heavy feel. There's an actuation force of 60 grams to get over the tactile bump. There's also an actuation point of 2 millimeters and a travel distance of 4 millimeters. They sound very loud. Those switches are primarily offered by Corsair for typing, and it has a very distinct click sound when you depress the button. Cherry's quietest and the newest key switches are MX Silent. These switches are the quieter variants of the linear MX Red switch, and it has a rubber piece inside that dampens the sound of the switch when it's returning to its default position. Now guys, let's take a look at some color presets that Corsair offers for the K70 Rgb Mark II keyboard. Once you download the IQ software that Corsair offers for all its products to be able to control the products itself, you would click on your product, and then we'll go into lighting effects, and I mean there's a huge variety of them. Once you click on this bar, all of the color presets will pop out. So the one that we have on right now is Spiral Rainbow. You can see it's pretty cool. You can control the speed over here. As you can see, it's moving faster now, and now it's slower. The next one is Rainbow Wave, which is pretty cool. Now color shift. You can also increase the speed here, and the colors would switch faster. Then color pulse. Color wave. This one is pretty cool. visor. And rain, which is probably one of my favorite ones. This looks amazing. There's also type lighting. So the keyboards would light up as soon as you press the key. Building a gaming setup could get very pricey. So here's the moment that we've all been waiting for, and it's me revealing the keyboard that is just as good as K70 Rgb Mark II but costs less. And here it is, guys. It's actually STRAFE Rgb Mark II from Corsair as well. So if we take a look at the technical specifications, the only differences that there is between STRAFE and K70 is that their weight. So STRAFE weighs 1 kilogram and 46 grams, where K70 Rgb Mark II weighs only 1 kilogram and 25 grams. There's also no onboard memory in STRAFE, and there's no onboard profiles like in K70. However, guys, STRAFE costs about $20 less than the K70 Rgb Mark II with Cherry, Red, and Max key switches. So, you know, if those extra 11 grams and no onboard memory and no onboard profiles really bother you, then STRAFE is the keyboard to go with. Thank you very much, guys, and if you enjoyed watching my video and it has been helpful to you in some sort of way, please like and subscribe, and I will make more videos in the future. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.